Between the shadows and the light, I stand unadorned in morning's glow, not as stranger to this sacred rite, but one who's walked this path seasons ago. The fabric of pretense falls away as skin meets air in silent prayer. This is no rebellion against the day, but a covenant renewed with tender care. Beneath the watchful eye of sun, my body speaks what words cannot convey, a testament to worlds that merge as one. In this hallowed ground where I kneel to pray, the light reveals what clothing hides, ancient wisdom flowing through my veins, as boundaries between us all subside in the gentle warmth of May's sweet rains. Some pass by with questioning glance, others recognize this solemn truth, that flesh and soil in quiet dance tell stories older than our brief youth. My calloused hands move through the loam with reverence for what lies beneath. This garden is my temple, my home, where body and earth together. There's mystery and surrender to elements we cannot control. When skin meets light so tender, and whispers secrets to the soul. Not naked in rebellion or in shame, but bare as truth itself must be. No artifice, no mask, no game, just essence of humanity set free. Beneath the watchful eye of sun, my body speaks what words cannot convey, a testament to worlds that merge as one. In this hallowed ground where I kneel to pray, the garden holds my silent song as I tend life with unhurried